Hi, my name is Vanja Klaric. I'm Serbian but was born and raised in Botswana, and I'm 19 years old. I've played a few 10K futures before I came here, but last year I started my college career in the States in University of South Florida, so I haven't been playing much since then, and these are my first futures back from when I started. I came to Mauritius because I heard about the Mary Pierce Ocean Indian Series through some friends who came here last time, and I saw it online, and I thought Mauritius is probably not a bad place to go and play some tournaments. My experience so far here has been good. I've been playing pretty well since I got here. I like the courts, the weather is great for tennis, and I think it's great actually that we can rub shoulders with some of the one of the greatest players, and she's done well in her career and she can always give advice, and it's great that we have that opportunity.